It is Friday, October 21st, 2022. The kitties are home alone again while their human is at work. Little Vinny has been up since early morning waiting for the girls to wake up. He just wants to play, but there's no one around.
I'm bored.
Aw, poor little Vinny. What was he to do?
Bam, bam. Shut up, you little rat. Come. I'm sleeping, Vinny. Leave me alone. Later.
Poor little Vinny. Nobody wanted to play with him, so he closed his eyes to try to take a nap. But he couldn't. So he sat there waiting for everyone to wake up. Little Vinny waited for a long time. He was getting quite frustrated.
Wake up!